Hey guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So yeah, just on a different note to the normal trading, I just saw this article in the Mail Online, popped up on my feed today about Angel Di Maria, that football player used to play for Man United, hates Manchester United, and changes the channel when they're playing after his wife branded English people weird and the food disgusting. Fans were reminded of the 60 million flop not wanting Old Trafford move in the first place and his incessant moaning over tactics. So anyway, we'll ignore the stuff about basically his deal and stuff, and we'll go and find the fun stuff about what she said. So this is a man who made no effort to hide his dislike for the club long before his wife weighed into the debate spectacularly on Spanish TV show on Wednesday morning. I begged Angel, any place but England, said Jorgeline Cardoso, recalling Di Maria's 59.7 million move from Real Madrid to Manchester United in 2014. 1 year later, we were in Manchester. Shit. Miss Cardoso lambasted the disgusting food, English dolls wearing too much makeup, and the weird folk of Manchester. You are walking and you don't know if they're going to kill you or not, she claimed. Firstly, right, this word weird, yeah, this word, it's quite a descriptive word, isn't it? Now look at this guy's face. Right, look at this guy's face, then look at this word, weird. Look at this guy's face, and then look at this word again, weird. It's strange that, isn't it? Because I think this is a weird looking guy. So it's funny that she would use that word. Maybe it's lost in translation. Hey, who knows? Her because I doubt she bothered to learn English for the impression that I'm getting of her. So her feelings on the last point were no doubt fueled by an attempted burglary at their luxury home in Prestbury, 5 months after Di Maria's joined United, when raiders tried to force their way into the rear of the property using scaffolding poles. Yeah, there's definitely no innuendo there, but she clearly doesn't like it when raiders tried to get in her back door with scaffolding poles. So just that's a completely serious statement, obviously, guys. I mean, nobody likes it when you get raiders into your back door with scaffolding poles. So yeah. Anyway, oh, there's another great picture of the weird looking guy. Anyway, so that's about all I can be bothered to read out of this. Maybe he moved to Manchester United because they offered him a lot of money and it was worth him going. Maybe she moved to him. Because of he's a famous football player and the money that he could earn. I don't know their background. Maybe she was his childhood sweetheart. Maybe, but I doubt it. But I doubt it, seeing as she's got a thing against weird things and people and places. But yeah, so maybe he moved to Manchester for the money. She moved to him for the money. You moved to Manchester for the money. That's it. That's it, isn't it? So anyway, not that I'm offended because why would I get offended? But anyway, so yeah, just some light comic relief there for you guys. So remember, this is definitely not financial advice, guys. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys on the next one.